I wonder if Cody wants this OEM.
No, looking at the Peugeot though.
Peugeot.
Makes your wagon look a lot cleaner.
Thank you. I needed to hear that.
Fuck. Oh. There's seat heaters? What? Alright.
Okay, well, let's try and push it and see where we can get.
Alright. Should be a lot easier to fucking push it now. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Is it moving at all?
I don't know.
I don't think so. You know what? I just actually had a huge brain idea.
Yeah.
I'll use the Mercedes.
I don't see this going anywhere but well. It just gives me flashbacks to picking it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, pushing it.
Absolutely nothing can go wrong.
Yeah.
We're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh.
Shit.
I really don't think this is gonna go well.
I don't either, but I mean, fuck, oh well.
It's his cars.
Well, I mean, it'll probably be fine.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, that worked really well.
that worked very well. Nothing. I don't see anything bad happening, so,
This
yeah.
car is so good. Nothing can stop it. Not even a Peugeot. We may not be able to use, we can
fucking pitch black.
we can get rid of our
Okay.
just put that back.
I wish I could see this with my camera, but it's too dark.
Don't sweat it. We'll get rid of our friend. Oh, there's a little mini picture of what you get. Wow. That's awesome.
I think this like kind of explains the whole situation with the car.
Like, hold on. Let's go to the Mercedes real quick. We'll compare.
Okay.
I'll edit it so this actually is like a competent segment.
Oh, is there much room over here?
Okay, you're not gonna be able to sit, but ready? This is Mercedes. Mercedes. Is that a spider?
Oh!
Get it out of my car. Can you murder me? That's you blew it into the car. Anyway, I should explain what happened. What happened? Basically,
So hell happened. And then
we were everything was
took another
everything was
beat.
great right up until the moment that we arrived. We recorded Robbie getting stuck in the lawn. That we got. But sort of after that, somehow it got much worse. And we didn't record any of it because it was gnar.
It got to the point where it was just
Potentially a valid excuse.
I didn't even record because
Yeah.
it was just fucking
So anyway,
shit.
we were there for like 4 hours with something that should have taken 45 minutes because the steering was locked because we don't have a key. And so then we tried to push it back on the trailer and then it fell off. And then we tried to jack it up and then it fell off that and got more stuck. And then we basically did nothing for like an hour and a half. And then we started yanking it sideways with the seller's truck, which was super sketchy, and I I don't recommend that to anybody unless you want to break everything you own. But it worked. And then we got it on the trailer. And then it was 11:30. And then it took us 2 hours to get home. And then at least another half an hour to back the truck in. that took 15 or 20 minutes.
So that wasn't too bad. That
wasn't that bad.
Yeah, that was...
And then we pushed it off the trailer, which was easier than pushing it on, to say the least. But it didn't go perfectly because we got it stuck when it was right at the end. When the front wheels hit the ground and the back was still on the trailer, it wouldn't move. So then simultaneously, Dylan and I were pulling it from the front. Cody was on the trailer pushing it, and Robbie was trying to drive the trailer out from underneath it. It was just a huge lawsuit waiting to happen, honestly. But now it's here, and let's go for a tour. The interior is brown and dirty, but pretty comfortable. This is the trunk. It's got some seat covers and some other stuff in it. And the fuel tank's here.
That's wild.
And it's cool and it's purple. And that's real neat. It's got tons of wheels and shit, but only about 2 or 3 of them hold air. And it's got an engine, which we don't know if it works.
Yo, the fucking low light's making it look a lot better than it does in real life.
That's awesome. So basically, it's just gonna sit here until either. So I think the best solution, if nothing else works and we can't get the key, screwdriver, hammer, destroy it, just turn it on. So then at least we can see if it works before we pull the engine out and inevitably never finish the project.
Oh yeah.
So.
Fucking hell. I love how that just came with it though. That just makes so much sense.
Pretty sweet. Where'd you break?
That's already broken. That's the only thing on the car that doesn't work is the driver's side sun visor is broken.
It's the only thing.
There we know it.
Hell yeah.
Driver's side sun visor, that tire doesn't work very well at all.
And the one on the other side.
3 out of 4 of the tires don't work. And you know what? The only thing that really matters is that this door handle is working fine. Why does it smell like this, man?
It's a musty smell, man.
It smells clean and dirty.
Any other regards to this?
We'll do stuff with it eventually. Whenever more stuff happens, we'll record it and upload it 6 months later. Yeah, anything that we do from now into the future with the Peugeot, we will maybe record half of it and then fill in the rest with this garbage. It's like Cody's car, except way more stylish and probably faster.
We have pizza.
Pizza time.
Pizza time.
Pizza time.
So hard like a soldier, can't afford a thing